the Humble Fisherman. Once in a big, blue lake, there was a clever otter named Oscar. Oscar was the best fisherman in the forest. Every day, he caught the biggest fish and bragged,
"No one is as good as me."
One morning, Oscar saw a small turtle named Timmy by the lake.
"What are you doing here?"
Oscar asked.
"I want to learn to fish."
Timmy said shyly. Oscar laughed loudly.
"You fish? You're too slow."
Timmy frowned but said,
"Please teach me. I will try hard."
Oscar agreed, but only to show off.
"Watch and learn, slowpoke,"
he said. Oscar dove into the water. Splash! He swam fast, showing Timmy his tricks. Soon, Oscar came back with a shiny, silver fish.
"See? It's easy for me."
Oscar said proudly.
"Now you try."
Timmy stepped into the water. He was slow and careful. But every time Timmy tried to catch a fish, it swam away.
"Ha! You'll never be as good as me,"
Oscar teased. The next day, a big fishing contest was announced. The winner would get a golden shell.
"I will win,"
Oscar said.
"No one can beat me."
The contest began. Oscar rushed into the water, diving and splashing. But he was too focused on showing off. His big movements scared the fish away. Meanwhile, Timmy stayed calm and quiet. He waited patiently, and soon, he caught a fish. Then another. And another. When the contest ended, the judge, a wise heron, counted the fish.
"Timmy is the winner,"
the heron announced. Oscar's jaw dropped.
"How did he win?"
Timmy smiled.
Fishing isn't about being fast or showing off. It's about patience and care.
Oscar felt embarrassed. He looked at Timmy and said,
"You are right. I was too proud. Will you teach me your way?"
Timmy nodded.
Only if you promise to be humble.
From that day on, Oscar and Timmy fished together, and Oscar learned that being humble made him a better fisherman, and arrogance can sink even the best boats. Thanks for watching, my friends. Like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more wonderful stories. Until then, take care.